Hello to the audience watching. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Jordan Jones, and today I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage, just like the one that you see right in front of your eyes right now. So, to start off by doing this, we're going to go to the home screen of whatever you're using. But just for the purposes of this is going to be for only, uh, it's called mobile devices. So, if you're using a PC or a desktop, this will be a little bit different, but no matter what device you're using, iPhone, Android, this should work. The same process should. The buttons just might look a little bit different, but it should work the same. But what we're gonna do is go to the App Store or whatever store you use. I think the Google Store for Android. So what you're gonna want to do is go and download an app called PixArt. PICSART. PixArt. You're gonna want to search or click enter, whichever one it says for you. You're going to want to go and download this app right here. Now, after downloading this app right here, you're going to want to go and get on to the next step. So the next step would be what's called, if you already have the images that you want to make for the collage, then you would go onto the app and you would skip on to the next step. But just for the example here, we're going to go to Google. We're going to look for some images, okay? So we're going to do that. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to click on these images right here. Sorry, it's taking just a second. And what you're going to want to do is go in, hold down the image, and click on Save Photos. I'm going to save the photos. You're going to do this for 9 of them. So you're going to scroll through 9 of these images. And now that we have 9 images, we're going to go on over to the app PixArt. So we're going to do PixArt, do a search for it, or whichever way you want to navigate to the app. You're going to click on PixArt, and it's going to bring you to the screen like this. So what you want to do, click on the plus at the bottom of the screen. And then towards the bottom of the screen, it says Collage, right above AI Tools, a little bit to the right. So what you're going to do is click on Collage, and you're going to select the 9 photos that you want, or the ones that you just download. So we're going to do that. And we're going to click on one of these options. Now, there's several different options to make the collages look different. But for this option right here, we're going to click on the first one just for it to look the same as the one that I showed at the beginning. So once you do that, you see that there's several different options. You can make it 3x4, 3:2, 16:9, square, portrait. You could even make it special for your Instagram story so you can post it straight there. But for this, we're going to click on square, and what we're going to do is click on border. And pretty much what border does is it changes the white line separating the images. So you can either turn it up by bringing the wheel to the right, so you can make the white lines thicker or bigger, or you could make them smaller, which is what we're going to do. So after that, you're going to click apply. You're going to click save at the top, which is the down arrow. And once it's saved, you're going to click next and skip. Then after that, you're going to click on the plus at the bottom, and you're going to see the collage you just made next to the button that says see all with the plus towards the top. You're going to click on that, and you're going to see several different options here. Let's say for you, tool, effects, text, you'll see as you just scroll across, there's just several different settings. So what we're going to click on is effects, where it says the FX right there at the bottom. And as you see here, there's several different options you can click. There's recent, simple, FX, black and white, blur, AI, color, artistic, magic, and paper. And as you see, there's a bunch of different one of these, and you can just make it look different depending on whichever filter you want. But for this instance, to make it look like the one we saw earlier, we're going to click on artistic, like I just did, and you're going to scroll through. And like I said, if you click on either of these, you can make them all look completely different from the last one. But for this instance, we're going to click on halftone dots. And as you see, after I clicked on halftone dots, you can see a little bar that pops up, or a little filter sign that pops up. You can click on that right where it says halftone dots, and it'll give you these options: point size, contrast, and fade. And it lets you change all of these options just so that you can make it look less faded, more faded, have it more contrast or less contrast, and change the point size. But we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is click apply, save, which is the same button at the top with the down arrow, click next, skip, and we should be done. So what we're going to do now is close out of the app, go to our photos, and there goes the collage that we did before. And then we're going to close that. And now you can see all those images we have here. And we're going to click on the collage we just made, which is the most recent one. We're going to click there. And we look at that. It looks completely the same as the one that I had already done prior to this. So now you know how to make a photo collage. So I want to thank you for watching. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.